What is this called? Zester. What is this called? Spatula. What is this called? Ladle. What is this called? Tongs. What is this called? Colander. What is this called? Mandolin. What is this called? Mortar and pestle. What is this called? Squeegee. What is this called? Ramekin. What is this called? Awl. What is this called? Swizzle stick. What is this called? Nutcracker. What is this called? Tammies. What is this called? Splatter screen. What is this called? Pastry brush. What is this called? Muddler. What is this called? Corkscrew. What is this called? Peeler. What is this called? Whisk. What is this called? Grater. What is this called? Box cutter. What is this called? Jigger. What is this called? Garlic press. What is this called? Caddy. What is this called? Egg timer. Subscribe for more.